I gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my people. Big up on yourself, man. Big up. Don't know the thing going on. Attack. Yeah, people. So now, right? We see we're that bad boy now. DAMI0N, Hamilton. You get me, I say? Was cut down. Yeah, man. Real bad boy. Real shooter. Real killer. You understand? Slap with 2 police. Plus injuring 3 others. And people been thinking, people been wondering. And say, yo, this man must be a madman for just the police like that and shoot them then dead after. People must be thinking I wonder and say, what could I really go on? Everybody left confused. But you know when NEWLINK, they are people. And you don't know, say, all type of people link and reach out to NEWLINK. Hey, now. So, woo, story come to bumps. Somebody reach out to the link. You understand, confidential. You know what I mean? Legit person and say link. So you don't know what go on. You don't know what say DAMI. Them not say DAMI and them say DAMI cause look like them and DAMI a good friend to her. You know? You don't know what say DAMI did involve in a relationship with a female officer. Oh my girl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Them say NEWLINK a good while man this officer there. You know what I mean? But from recent times being, it seems like things now going good with them. Say NEWLINK, things I know for fuck. Cause DAMI0N was a gyalis. Enough look a gyal him have. You get me I say? Saying it involved with the Squaddy. But as me I tell you link, it look like things now going good because DAMI used to all have his Squaddy car a drive. And a good while now we not see him with it. So we are suspects say yo maybe. We not gonna say 100% see a Squaddy cause it make him do it. Because a Squaddy mash up. Because them say at the time Squaddy was stationed somewhere in a St. Catherine. But them not confirm if at the same police station where the police them left from and go over there so and DAMI0N go shoot them. But them say link. What them I think is he maybe think the Squaddy on duty and when them come in just start beat it because maybe one slap her out because maybe him hurt. Oh my girl, oh my precious NEWLINK. So, them said DAMI0N was a gyalis, but DAMI0N was a bad boy too, you know, player. You know what I mean? So when you look into the whole thing, people, from him involved in a relationship, that means Squaddy must know something say the man a bad man. Not so, female Squaddy. So them say link. You are idiot. You know see how fast them catch him. And them go find him up at Corville Garden up in Kingston there. Eh? What you think? You don't think say information lead back cause them know if you track him and they know how to find him. Cause the woman know everything about him. Oh my girl. And them say even bigger people in the force know that DAMI was with this female officer. So people, this is not the first time I hear things like this where bad man involved in a relationship with even lawyer. You understand? Lawyer daughter. With even police member. With even the judge too. It happened with even MP. It happened. You get me? But this man you take it to a different level. Cause it look like he did fully love this female officer. You understand? Cause maybe she was so hot. Maybe she give it to him the best. She can maybe give him for your hour and just ride it. Or something special about her. You understand? Maybe she did a plan a big future with the boss. But in the end, she mess it up. But still it give this piece of thing no right. If we say him a go kill, and destroy. It give him no right, people. You know what I mean? It give him no right. If the woman left you, buy one flowers and go meet him up at the station and go present to him. Buy one of them special roses there. You understand? Then they can sail at Jamaica now because nothing now go on. You get me? Or comes a boom and go pay for one dinner and just carry the invitation and go drop off to her. You get me? Surprise her, buy her one nice watch or something if you want to win her back. Try something. But that are the method where you use. and say you are going to try slap. Oh my girl, oh my peaches, NEWLINK. Say I saw pum can make man. Yo, boy. Me tell us them man I take things to a different level, you know, people. So female officer, how you feel now in yourself? NEWLINK ask that question there. Because when you look on it, you know, I hear blood upon the other man's shoulder, you know. You know what I mean? Because if it was you involved in this relationship and thing, you get me? Man would try to strike back. Oh my girl, oh my peaches, NEWLINK. And me can't tell a boy. That's how you see people, me not trust nobody. Me not trust nobody. Not to a man look, not to a man move, not to a man act, not to a job when do. You get me? Me not trust nobody. I not trust nobody. You could have wear the jacket and tie, me not trust you. Me not trust nothing. Nothing upon land. See? Nothing. So a lot of times people will see these youth here and we know why they can do something sometime and they easily bust it or move away. You know how I do it? Come on, man. Don't be a fool. Don't be a fool. You never see a situation where prisoner involved with all police in a relationship and something. You don't know how I go on. When prisoner come out, you know, and thing, you know, they find they love a police officer and go and chill and relax in a sleep all in a big hotel cock up and sitting, you know. Them something they go on, you know, but you don't know. You don't think that joke? It's a word start with a big C and end with a big N called corruption. It's everywhere. It's a mix-up force. Zin? See your face, people, easily. Yo, this a thing I well planned still with the youth. Me tell you, say the man plan it like, yo, only just season he know still. Zin? Left all a big piece and gone up so. What them say what? You gonna seek prayers. Seek what kind of prayers? Them a man are evilous. They not nothing for believing in about the Almighty but seek no prayers. Them a youth and not believe in a God. You understand? Now no believe in the Almighty. And the devil them worship and praise. See? And it's a real thing. Enough you and them youth are your sister them a killer. When they reach 14, 15, their mindset are oh you're different. Them not think about the Almighty. Because then they think about the Almighty. They want to do certain things. God for his prayer. Prayer? I think on a joke. Them on a pray life different. Because any man we see, I pray the Almighty people and think for about prayer. You might go pray the circumstances are going to be behind it when things happen to him. See? Not at the present moment. Say I talk about say your man run gone up a Corville garden, go and seek prayers from this or you run a prayer from what? The man a real killer, the man not no heart, the man heartless. Me tell us say the man slap you out anywhere you're there. Zin? You know you then tell us say the man a bad man from him a look a picnic. Like from my baby from the suckling from in his belly, my body my kick him in his belly. Bloop, bloop, bloop. The man, oh my girl. All me can tell the people, this is a thing where I got in the books at Jamaica forever. And it's a thing we have to continue to talk about. See? Because people, honestly, you know, be honest. We know the police get slapped where you are. They know say, like that police hardly dead at Jamaica like that, you know. We say police job done, faint and it's not like the two police that were NEWLINK do the vlog pan the other day. But we know say, yo, killer police. Yeah? My girl. Boy, me I tell you that one is tough. That one is tough. This boy, yeah, not even Duppy Flim, terrible like him, who was listed as the most wanted toward this boy are deadly. Because the man a real shooter. Man a real shooter, but in the last end, because he never have him big piece in run lefty. Because he too heavy he could run with it. But maybe if he did have that big piece, the people, he not take two more police with him. But I want a small piece, them fine. When them say them fine, one Glock at the last ends. When them cut him down and slap him out and bust out him brain and splash it out. See? But in the end, just season he knows people. This man was, boy, one of the toughest thing. Slap 2 police, kill 3. Wow! You don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers. You don't know I respect to the people who reach out to NEWLINK with the news them and try to keep the thing active. Bless up on yourself and big up on yourself. Big up to every ghetto youth. You understand? And every ghetto sisters. Big up on yourself. Watch them idiot driver you know. A real fool this, you know? Where them they get license from, man? My world. No, sir. Me know see you're not tourist car. Tourists not dep on the island now. Where them get license from? People, look on the road like this. See? It's a roundabout, you know. Me dep on the right side right now. The man dep on the left side over there, say, you know. And the roundabout, he might go around the roundabout. You know what he do? He take over from the left side and go right cross me and go around the roundabout. He no put on no indicator, nothing on me I come straight. You understand? Right, if me name breaks up me licking a vehicle. But me sorry, I never want tractor me have. I want grader. One of them big sitting there with the shovel pan it. When me lick him and creep him through, you no joke. When you can't say me wicked, I chode. Because if fooling could have killed me too. You understand? You understand? Even if you can't read and write, you have common sense. How can you be on that side? You know, go over the lane, you know. I put on the indicator and try 15 over there before I reach to the roundabout section. He just go right across from me. You understand? I saw evil steer. And I told NEWLINK I drop the attack, they make evil try to come caught NEWLINK. But them can't do it. Because the powers of the Almighty is protecting NEWLINK every day, every night. And they going in and then they coming in. Zin? Some of you are my subscribers. Big up on yourself. Zin? Enough love, enough respect. Evil can't conquer we. Peace out.